How do top Python developers make their programs interactive from day one? In this video, we are going to learn how we can accept user input using a function, input function in Python. So today's topic is user input. Let me take the name as user input and let us see how to accept the user input. In order to accept the user input, we are going to make use of input function. Input function is used to accept the user input. User input. Like example, you can say name equal to input, enter your name. So what are the name we accept from user that will come and store into this name. Now, let us write the complete example code here. So in this example, by using input function, we are going to accept the name and age. Let me take here name equal to input, enter your name. We'll even accept age equal to input, enter your age. Now let us run this. So it is asking, say, enter your name. So let me take the name like Raj and enter your age. We'll say something like 25. So we have accepted the name value and age. So here name and age are variables where name holds a value Raj and age holds a value 25. Now let us print these values. So in order to print, we use print function, and to display the value of name and age, we'll use here F and can go with the message my name is. And in order to take the value of this name variable, the variable should go within this curly braces. My name is name and my age is, again use curly braces, within this curly braces go with the variable. Now let us run this. Click on this run symbol. So it's saying, see, my name is Raj and my age is 25. So the use of input function is used to accept the user input. So in order to make our program interactive to accept the data from user, we are going to make use of this input function. Let me take one more example. Here we want to find area of a rectangle. In order to find area of a rectangle, we require length and breadth value from user. Let us accept this length value, length equal to input, enter length value. Similarly, accept breadth value. See here, it's giving the A is generating our code. Just if you press tab key, so the code will be done for us here. Enter breadth value. Now find area. Here only we can write area equal to, see here, length into breadth. Length into breadth. Now let us print this. Print F area of rectangle equal to the value of area. So keep it in curly braces. That's it. Now let us run this code. See, it is asking for length value. Let me say some 25. Press enter key. Breadth value. Let me say some 15. Press enter key. It is giving, see here, type error. Type error. The reason is by using input function, whatever the value we are accepting, it will be of type string. It will be of what type here? String type. But this operand, this operation, multiplication operation, we can do by what? You can do it for non-integers. Here cannot multiply sequence by non-int of type str, because the value what we are accepting here, it's of what type? It is of type string. Now I need to convert into integer. So how to convert this length and breadth into integer? See here, while writing the code, say it is generating the code for us. So here, let me remove this code. When I'm writing, see, area equal to what we are trying. See how good it is here. How good this collab is generating. say int of length into int of breadth. So the use of int function is to convert string into integer, right? If I just press tab key, the code will be replaced over here. So that's the main beauty of going with this Colab, which is integrated with AI. Now let us run this code. See, it is asking see length value 25. Press enter key. It is asking breadth value 15. See, it's giving area of rectangle as 375. So this is the main beauty of going with this Colab with integration of AI. Now, let us see how to make use of this Gemini to develop our programs. Let me go with the prompt here. Now we want to find area of a rectangle. Let me ask Gemini to write the code for us. So, write a Python code to find area of a circle by accepting the user input. I want to accept the user input. Press enter key by after writing the prompt. So this Gemini is working and it's going to provide the code to us. Let us wait for small time. So it's working. Here it has imported the math radius. See, it's accepting input, enter the radius of a circle, and what is the input return type? It's going to return string. We can accept string, but we want to convert into float. So float function is used to convert our string into float type. And see, area circle equal to math.py. So what is the value of pi? 3.14, and we are multiplying this radius into 2, radius into radius. And we are printing f, the area of circle with radius, in curly braces radius is area circle. Okay, now we can even run the code directly from here. Run this code, which is asking for the radius. So let me say 5.0. Once we press enter key, it's giving the area of circle to us. So this is the main beauty of using AI and what we are learning Python using AI. Please practice this. Please subscribe, like and share. Thank you.